could be one of the greatest ideas I've seen or heard of. So it is that holiday season, right? So I need to do my cool, spooky Halloween decorations out front. And typically I would go and I would look for some like orange lights and purple lights and that kind of stuff to do my lighting out front. But I saw this and I was like, what a great idea. They call these gel sheets, right? They're obviously tinted. We got purple, we got orange, all those haunted colors, and it comes in a big supply of them. And it is a brilliant idea if it actually works. So what you do is you take your conventional white LED lighting for your yard and you cut it down to size, put it on the front of it, and it should make a cool orange light or a cool spooky purple light, depending upon what we want to do. The only way I can complete this thought for you is I am going to take this, I'm going to cut them on up, put them on my lights, set it all up out front, and I'll take you out there to see what it looks like, and you can make your own decision, although I'm sure I'll share my opinion. But what do you say we go do that? Okay, so here's the results of my experiment. These are the purple gels, orange gels, purple again, orange. And that's the overall look on the tree. Those are on top of a white light. I'll give it like some effectiveness, but what you should understand, to be fair, this is purple, this is what, and a red LED, that's what the true colored LEDs would look like. This is what the gels look like on here. You know, it's not a perfect answer, but I think on balance, there's value there, right? Because it's a very cheap answer. You don't have to start replacing your white LEDs to give yourself some color, but don't expect it to look like that. So I think that's my answer. I am happy with this for what it costs and the ease of doing it and that kind of stuff. Just don't have this as your expectation.